Hey, we're in Gulf Breeze. It's the beach. Say hi. Say hello. Hello. She's like, ooh, look at this sand. Look at this sand. This is fantastic. She's like, I want to go play in the water, Mom.
St. Patrick's Day.
Happy St. Patrick's Day. Hi, Charlotte. Soon she'll be out there swimming laps to the end of the dock and back.